Welcome to the Hampton Inn, just off State Road 54 in Trinity, near Odessa, Tampa, Port Richey, New Port Richey. Great location, great hotel. I'm so excited to be here, and we are going to give you a full walkthrough of the hotel and a review of the room and should you stay here. Should you? And so far, the halls are welcoming. The carpet is bright, the halls are light, and we are heading into the room to check it out. We are in the beautiful Hampton, Odessa, in beautiful Trinity, Odessa area. Look at that, all ready for the fall. We've got our blow dryer, extra sweet little accents. And we have a tub in this room, not the normal shower. Looks like the regular Zero products. Love the towel hangers on the back wall. Our Zero products. Hey me! All right, long day of traveling. And we are here, and I am so happy to be here. So we've got this beautiful room with the 2 beds. I'll find the electricity. The lights, but we do have the USB ports, the electric lights. We've got the cool art. Let me see if I can find some lights to turn us on. And maybe it's all lamps. But we've got our air conditioning here, our queen size beds with our 4 pillows. We have our electric sockets here. Pardon my Well, I flip on my lights here. We've got our clock, our lights, USBs and electricity underneath. Seeing if we had more electricity down there. And we have our drawers. We have our drawers and our welcoming and our air conditioner. And we do have a closet over here, so let's take a look at the closet and see if we have our, there we do. No extra pillows, but we do have the rack for the suitcase, some hangers, and an extra bedding. There we go, and I'll give you a tour around the rest of the Hampton very soon, my friends. And I love the little splash of color and the art. We have the electricity hooked with the lamps. Hey me! And we've got the very cool green chairs with the table. And I did want to show you over here that yes, of course, we have the mini fridge. And then we have the coffee service. You just pull it up, put it on the top, plug it in, and you are all ready to go. All right, let's take a tour of the hotel. And right where we enter the floor is the ice machines back here. Beautiful art. And our ice machine. The breakfast worked for me. Hot waffles, lots of butter, syrup, and a great location here in the Odessa Trinity Hampton Inn. It was rated in the past as the top 1% of the Hampton hotels, and it is still a very comfortable, almost a budget stay. So I do recommend the Hampton Inn here in beautiful Florida in the Tampa, Port Richey, Odessa area, and it is welcoming, pretty, and stands up to what you expect in a Hampton hotel. So my friends, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button because we are traveling. I've got the traveling bug. We're going by train, we're going by plane, and we're going by road trip. So hit that subscribe. I want you along with me. Have a great day.